My beloved, I speak to you now as your brother and friend, as the one who has brought the Father's great gift of love into your world. Hear me with the ears of your soul, for these words are not merely instruction, but life itself. You ask about your responsibility to share this message with others. Truly, I tell you, it is not a light matter, nor a task of human invention, but a mission appointed by the Father himself. The truths of divine love and the new birth are my second coming to earth, not in flesh, but in spirit and word. These messages carry the living breath of heaven, the very way that souls may be redeemed, transformed, and made at one with the Father in his celestial kingdom. The sacred mission. This work is not self-chosen, it is given. It was entrusted first to my instrument, James Paget, and to those who laboured with him, not because of their greatness, but because of their willingness to obey. And now it is entrusted to you. This mission is the continuation of my gospel on earth, my new and repeated gospel for all humankind. The Father has sent me again, not to suffer and die, but to speak and reveal. These truths must be carried to every land and every people, for they are of the utmost importance to the destiny of mortals. Souls cry out in hunger, and what they long for is this very message. The battle of the soul. Do not think this is a work of the intellect alone, nor a battle of arms. It is a war of the soul. You are called to stand with me in this great cause, to resist error, to overcome darkness, and to proclaim the glad tidings of divine love. In this labour you are not alone, for I and my apostles and a host of celestial spirits surround you with our love and strength. More power is given to you for this mission than to any mortal generation before. Your responsibilities disseminate and publish. These truths must be shared, printed, spoken, and made known wherever human language is found. Do not delay, for the time is ripe. Guard the purity of the message. Do not alter the words or attempt to reshape them with human reasoning. They appeal not to the mind, but to the soul's deep knowing. Witness. Personally, whenever opportunity arises, speak of the divine love and the new birth. Tell others that the Father waits with open arms. Invite them to pray for his love to fill their souls. Stay true to the core. Avoid being distracted by lesser pursuits of spirit communication or earthly phenomena. This mission is singular, to lead souls to the divine love, and through it, to eternal life in the celestial heavens. The reward and the urgency, beloved. With great privilege comes great responsibility. The jewels of this mission are not of earth, but eternal treasures of the Spirit. Those who are faithful will find their reward beyond all imagining. Yet know this, the time is short. The day will come when the gates of the celestial kingdom are closed, when the Father's gift of love will cease to flow into the souls of mortals. This is the second death of which I have spoken. Therefore, the urgency is upon us. Share the message now, while hearts may yet be opened. My disciples, my friends, my beloved brothers and sisters, I call you to stand with me. Be not afraid. Go forth in courage and humility. Speak the truth in love. Publish it, proclaim it, live it. In this way, you will help usher in the new birth of souls and the establishment of the Father's kingdom upon the earth. I am with you always, even to the end of the age. Your brother and friend, Jesus.